The Lord our God is gracious, compassionate is he also. In mercy he is plenteous, but unto wrath and anger slow. Good unto all men is the Lord, for all his works his mercy is. Thy works all praise to thee afford. Thy saints, O Lord, thy name shall bless. The glory of thy kingdom show, shall they and of thy power tell, that so man's sons his deeds may know. His kingdom's grace that doth excel. Thy kingdom hath none end at all, it doth through ages all remain. The Lord upholdeth all that fall, the cast thou raiseth up again. The eyes of all things, Lord, attend, and on thee wait that here do live. And thou in season you dost send sufficient food them to relieve. Yea, thou thine hand dost open wide, and everything